doesn't get any more real than this. So I've had this dryer since 2002, so she's pretty old, but she keeps going. Things I've done to it: it cracked in the front there, super glue, never broke again. This plastic came off. Over the years of vibration, the plastic clips broke. A couple of cable ties, there's some drill through there. Beautiful. Bearing, packed it in a couple of years after getting it, but out of warranty. I replaced the bearing, never had a problem there again. Still on the original belt. Now what happens if I start it is with nothing in it, she will rotate. As soon as I put a load in her, the barrel won't turn anymore. I have a sneaky suspicion it's the capacitor, so that's what I'm doing today. Alright, so unplugged from the power mains. I'm going to remove all the screws, the top there, so forth. Get that back off, find out where the capacitor is. I can't take the sides off of this dryer, it's one unit, so you can only get access to the back. And I'll get that off and then we'll continue. Alright, that took a minute to find, but the capacitor is clipped into here. You can't see it, but you can feel it. So you're going to need to get a pliers there, push it in, get the capacitor dropped down so I can swap it over. Okay, I got the capacitor down. Now I need to find out which side is power and which side's negative. I don't want to plug it into the wrong spot, the wrong way. I'm just going to get a marker and in there. I'm going to get a marker and mark one side so I know which side is the white lead side or the blue lead side, and take it out and have a look. Okay, so the replacement one I bought online was just, I didn't even look inside the one I'm pulling apart to find out if it's the correct capacitor or not. I just went for a 2-pin capacitor because that seems to be a generic type that's for the Fisher Paykel. And there's no markings on it to say positive and negative anywhere on it. So I'm just going to go with the writings on the front of that side, writings on the front of that side. Whether it works or not is going to be the end game. Okay, so same story, white leaders on that side there. So it's on. I just need to, oh look at that, bolt hole there. I might just put it into that part there. Righto, without putting the back on yet, I'm just going to test it. Oh look at that. Big difference straight off, awesome. I knew it. Now I'll put it all back together. We'll chuck a load in there. Finish the video off with seeing a wet load, put it on and see how quickly she goes. There we go. Fresh load of washing. Normally one shirt would be enough to stop this from working. Look at that. Like I bought one. Well, that was an easy solution. Most dryers that have that problem, it's the same fault. That's why I've had that experience before. Alright, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you on the next one. Alright, without putting everything back together yet, let's just see if she still works. That's all folks.